Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save your file in Canva. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could leave us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. And if you've got any comments or questions, and if you could leave it in the comments section down below, that would be awesome. Okay, so we are now in canva.com and we have our image here that we have created. And what we want to do is now save this image. So if we come up to the top right hand corner and if we press on this share button, we are then going to get this drop down menu. If you then scroll down and come to this download button and give that a click, and it is Canva is suggesting that we download this file in a PNG format. So if you don't want to download it in a PNG format, that's no problem. If you click on the box, you can then see that you have all these different options here. So if you were doing a GIF, you've got this option here. You've got an MP4 video if you were doing a video, or you could do a PDF or a JPEG. So Canva is recommending PNG, so we're going to give that a click. So just be aware that PNG can sometimes take up a little bit more space as a file. JPEG doesn't take up as much space. So if you've got the capacity, then I would recommend that you download it in a PNG format. But no worries if not, you can always do a JPEG. So if you give that a click, and you've then been given these other options here, so you can download it with a transparent background, and you can also compress the file, which does mean that it will come out in a lower quality. So that's up to you guys. So then once you've selected everything that you need to, if you hit the purple download button, and this will now be saved in your download files. So as you can see at the top here, we have got our YouTube icon that has been saved. And then you can go ahead to your download files on your desktop and give that an open. And there we go. That is how to save your file in Canva. I hope that you guys found this video useful. If you could hit the like button and the subscribe button, that would be amazing. And we will see you guys in the next one.